Welcome to the 27th Annual WCTE High School Academic Bowl. I'm your moderator, Brian O'Connor, a math professor at Tennessee Tech University. This is the championship match of this year's season, featuring Gallatin High School and Cookeville High School. Gallatin survived our second chance bracket. Cookeville was the winner of the winner's bracket, so we're meeting today. If Cookeville wins, they're the champion. If Gallatin wins, then we have one more game to decide the winner. Let's meet our teams and our officials.
My name is Jordan Allen. I'm a freshman at Gallatin High School, and I'm on the chess club.
I'm Evan Hickson. I'm a junior at Gallatin High School. I participate in Youth Ledge academic team, and I'm on the tennis team.
My name is Noah Butler, and I'm a freshman at Gallatin High School. I'm on the student council and the chess club.
My name's Kelly Orlano. I'm a senior at Gallatin High School. I'm in the Key Club and on the tennis team.
Hello, my name is Brian Hoover. I teach in the Social Studies Department at Gallatin High School, and I'm one of the sponsors of the academic team.
I'm Kurt Dunham. I'm a junior from Cookeville High School, and I'm a member of Mu Alpha Theta.
I'm Jordan Salter. I'm a senior at Cookeville High, and I'm a member of the Young Democrats.
Hello, I'm Franklin Gong. I'm a junior at Cookeville High School, and I'm the member of the academic team.
I'm Brett Windrow. I'm in 12th grade, and I go to Cookeville High School, and I'm a member of the National Honor Society.
My name's John Stewart. I teach social studies at Cookeville High School, and I'm the coach of the CHS academic team.
I'm Phil Oldham, second semester president, Tennessee Tech University, formerly chemistry professor.
Hi, I'm Dr. Paula Hinton. I'm a professor at Tennessee Tech University in the history department. I teach American history and social history.
I'm Janie Bassett. I'm a retired Putnam County school teacher. I taught at Sycamore Elementary, and I'm a scorekeeper today.
Well, you've met everybody here. A big thanks to Reggie Brown for putting all this together. She does a great job. We're going to start our match now. Teams, are you ready? Here is your first toss-up question. The Kent State Massacre took place in what state? Gallatin, Noah.
Ohio.
Ohio is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, who invented the revolver?
Colt.
Colt is right. And second, who invented the electric razor?
Gillette.
No, it was Schick. Good try. 10 points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. A normal female human cell will have how many bar bodies per cell? Gallatin, Evan.
4.
No, can you take it Cookeville? Franklin.
2.
No, the answer is 1. Next toss-up question. What is the name of one of the most primitive land plants consisting of algae and fungi growing in a mutually helpful association? Cookeville, Franklin.
Moss.
No, can you take it Gallatin? Evan.
A fern.
No, it's lichen. Next toss-up question. Give the next two numbers in the geometric series beginning with 3 and 9. Franklin.
27 and 81.
Powers of 3, that's right, 27 and 81. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, what is the name of the lake between New York and Vermont that was briefly classified as the 6th Great Lake?
Lake Champlain.
Lake Champlain. Didn't last long either. Second, what was the name of the nearby fort in New York where a Revolutionary War battle was fought?
Ticonderoga.
Fort Ticonderoga, that's right. 20 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. What is the text of an opera called? Cookeville, Franklin.
Libretto.
Libretto, that is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, Claude Monet is part of what late 19th century art movement in the country of France?
Impressionism.
Impressionism is right. Second, the Italian painter Raphael is associated with what art period style?
Renaissance.
Renaissance is right. 20 points there. Here's another toss-up. A negatively charged particle moves northward through a magnetic field which is directed downward. In what direction is the force on this particle? Cookeville, Franklin.
Down.
No, can you take it Gallatin? Evan.
Upward.
No, it's east. Gave a direction there, northward, so it's east. Next toss-up question. A bag containing 6 red and 3 blue marbles. Suppose marbles are drawn one at a time and then put back into the bag. What is the probability the first 2 marbles drawn are red? Franklin.
4/9.
4/9, 2/3 squared, right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, what famous hotel chain was founded in Memphis in 1952?
Hampton.
No, Holiday Inn. And second, what hospital in Memphis, founded by entertainer Danny Thomas, is famous for treating children's diseases?
St. Jude's.
St. Jude is right. 10 points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. According to Boyle's law, doubling the pressure while the temperature remains constant does what to Cookeville, Franklin?
Doubles.
No, I will continue for Gallatin. Does what to its volume? Evan,
Decreases?
more information.
Decreases doubly or proportionally.
No, I can't accept that. Halves it, and we needed half. Next toss-up question. What Tennessean remains the only Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives to ever hold the office of President of the United States? Gallatin, Noah.
Polk.
Polk was right. James K. Polk. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part. Who wrote the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock?
Whitman?
No, it's T.S. Eliot. And second, who wrote the poem that starts out, Buffalo Bill's defunct?
Whitman.
No, that's E.E. Cummings. Let it be noted, it's all in lowercase letters in my answer, so we're good. Next toss-up question. Two steel balls are at a certain distance from one another. As the mass of one is doubled, the gravitational... Cookeville, Franklin.
Quadruples.
No, I will continue for Gallatin. The gravitational force of attraction between them is what? Evan?
Doubled.
Doubled, because only one of them was doubled. That's right. Bonus question, first part. What is the length of the longest rod that can be placed in a rectangular box whose dimensions are 2 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches?
Answer?
8.
No, it's 6 inches. Sum of the squares is 36, square root is 6. Second part of the bonus. If the volume of a cube is 27 cubic meters, what is the surface area of the cube?
45.
No, it's 54. At a reverse. Length is 3, 6 sides gives you 54. No points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. What Greek letter begins with the letter I? Franklin.
Iota.
Iota is right. I ought to get that one. Here's your bonus question. First part. Haydn's 45th Symphony's nickname comes from the fact that most of the players gradually leave the stage when their parts are finished. What is the nickname of this work?
The Exit.
No, the Farewell Symphony. And second, identify the type of metrical foot most common in English poetry, an unaccented syllable followed by an accented one.
Iambic pentameter.
I'll take iambic, that's the start. That's pentameter as if you had 5 of them. Iambic is correct, 10 points on that bonus. Next toss-up question. The half-life of an isotope of an element is 5 days. The mass of a 10-gram sample of this isotope remaining after 10 days is what? Franklin, Coco.
2.5 grams.
2.5, half and half, right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First, give the slope and y-intercept of the line. 3x plus 2y is 5.
The slope and y-intercept.
The slope and y-intercept.
Designate Franklin.
The slope is -3/2. The y-intercept is 5.
No, the y-intercept is 5/2. You got the slope right, so not correct there. Second part, give you another chance. Give the slope and y-intercept of the line 5x plus 2y equals 1.
Answer.
Designate Franklin.
The slope is -5/2, and the y-intercept is 1/2.
Correct. That part is correct. 10 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. What is the formula for the volume of a pyramid? Cookeville, Franklin.
1/3 pi r squared h.
No, can you take a Gallatin? Evan.
1/3 HR. Yeah.
No, 1/3 h times the area of the base. There was no radius given in that. Next toss-up question. That's the end of our first half. Score Cookeville 120 and Gallatin 40. We'll be back with our lightning round.
$7,000 high school students drop out every school day. That's a line of desks more than 4 miles long. We can keep students in school. Visit boostup.org and take the first step.
My life is full of statistics. Thing is, I could have dropped out of school and become one myself, but I didn't, because I had people that believed in me. Here's another statistic. 7,000 students drop out every school day. That's 1 every 26 seconds. It's time that students know that we believe in them.
Inspire a student and share your message of support at boostup.org.
Welcome back to the WCTE High School Academic Bowl. This is our championship match, and at half, Cookeville is leading 120 over Gallatin 40. If Cookeville maintains their lead, they are the champion. If Gallatin comes back, then we'll have another match to decide the final winner. We're going to have our lightning round now, and the categories are decades of the 1900s and cabinet departments. So Gallatin, you get to choose first. Which would you like?
Cabinet departments.
Cabinet departments. You'll have 60 seconds. I will name the activity. You tell me what cabinet department oversees it. The U.S. Mint.
Treasury Department.
The Marines.
Department of Defense.
National Park Service.
Interior.
FBI.
Pass.
Census.
Pass.
Federal Aviation Administration.
Transportation.
Secret Service.
Treasury.
Equal Employment Opportunity Commission.
Commerce.
Coast Guard.
Defense.
Foreign Service Institute.
State.
FBI.
Homeland Security.
And Census.
We got that. Interior.
You have 5 correct, brings you up to 90 points. The ones you missed, the FBI is in the Department of Justice. The Census is part of the Department of Commerce. Secret Service used to be in Treasury, but now they are in Homeland Security, as is the Coast Guard, and the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is in the Department of Labor. So 5 correct there brings you up to 90 points. And now it's time for Cookeville and decades of the 1900s. I'll give the event, you tell me in what decade it occurred, and you can say 30s or 80s or O's.
Wait,
or
is it O's or
whatever.
ons?
O's would work. So you'll have 60 seconds. The Watergate scandal.
70s.
Panama Canal opens.
Pass.
Knoxville World's Fair.
80s.
Oklahoma City bombing.
90s.
Tennessee Valley Authority established.
30s.
Peace Corps begun.
60s.
Wright brothers' first flight.
Aughts.
Interstate highway system started.
50s.
The GI Bill.
40s.
Charles Lindbergh's famous flight.
20s.
Panama Canal opens.
The tins.
All correct? All 10 points? All correct, and they get a bonus of 10 points, I think? 10 points. Very good. I think that's the first perfect lightning round we've had this competition, so very good. Our score is now Cookeville 230 and Gallatin 90. And we're going to start our second half. Are you ready? Here's your first toss-up. What Knoxville author won the Pulitzer Prize posthumously for his work, A Death in the Family? Time, that's James Agee. Next toss-up question. The kinetic energy of a moving object is 4 joules. If the velocity of the object is doubled, its kinetic energy will... Cookeville, Franklin.
Quadruple.
So the number is?
16.
16 joules. I will take that, yes. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, what famous German physicist produced and detected electromagnetic radio waves in 1887? A unit of frequency and a car rental company is named in his honor.
Hertz.
Hertz is right. Well, maybe not the car rental company in his honor, but it's the same name. And second, who shared the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1909 with Carl Ferdinand Braun for his contribution to the development of wireless telegraphy, that is, radio?
Marconi.
Marconi is right. 20 points there. Here's your next toss-up. In 1916, the worst gridiron drubbing ever happened when Georgia Tech's football team won a game 222-0 against what poor Tennessee school located in Lebanon? Brett.
Cumberland University.
Cumberland is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. First part, what composer wrote the song My Old Kentucky Home?
Rogers.
No, that was Stephen Foster. And second, what composer gave us the famous Stars and Stripes Forever?
Pass.
John Philip Sousa. No points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. What are the two instruments which are used in geometrical constructions? Gallatin, Noah.
Compass and protractor.
No, can you take it, Cookeville? Time. Compass and straight edge, not a ruler because that's got marks on it. So next toss-up coming up. What is the name of the book in which the theory of natural selection was? Cookeville, Brett.
On natural selection?
No, I will continue for Gallatin. Natural selection was presented to the world. Jordan.
On the evolution of species?
No, the origin of the species. Not quite. Next toss-up question. The momentum of an object of mass m and velocity v is given by what formula? The momentum of an object. Cookeville, Franklin.
MV.
M times v, that is right. Here is your bonus question. First part. A toll road heading west from Chicago is named after a woman who won the Nobel Peace Prize for her founding of the settlement house known as Hull House. Who was she?
Jane Addams.
Jane Addams is right. And second, another toll road that goes west from Chicago heads toward the boyhood home of the only president born in the state of Illinois. Name this late 20th century president.
Late 20th century.
Answer?
Clinton.
No, Ronald Reagan. 10 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. For the circle given by the equation, the quantity x minus 3 squared plus the quantity y plus 4 squared equals 25. At what point is the center of the circle? Cookeville, Franklin.
3, negative 4.
3, negative 4. That is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. First part, what long E word describes an impromptu speech delivered by the speaker with little or no preparation?
Eulogy.
No, extemporaneous. And second, who was the ancient Greek philosopher who carried a lantern through the streets of Athens looking for an honest man?
Sophocles.
No, it was Diogenes, and I sure hope it was his lantern. 10 points on that no points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. Aqua regia is a mixture of what two acids? Time, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Next toss-up. What is a tautology? What is a tautology? A statement that is always true. Next toss-up. What Babylonian king enacted a code Gallatin, Noah. Hammurabi, 282 laws. That is right. Here's your bonus question. According to the code of Hammurabi, if a man knocks out the teeth of an equal, what would be the punishment?
To have his teeth knocked out.
His teeth would be knocked out also. What is the first half of the phrase inspired by this code with the second half and a tooth for a tooth?
An eye for an eye.
An eye for an eye, correct. 20 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. If x is a positive real number, what is the logarithm in the base x of x? Cookeville, Franklin.
1.
1. Log of the base is 1. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First, which planet has the shortest year?
Mercury.
Mercury. And second, which planet seems to be turned on its side with an axis tilt of 98 degrees?
Uranus.
Uranus is right. 20 points there on that bonus. Here's another toss-up question. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m and velocity v is given by what formula? Cookeville, Franklin.
1/2 mv squared.
1/2 mv squared. That is right. Here's your bonus question. In which state was the Battle of Antietam fought in the U.S. Civil War?
Maryland.
Maryland is right. And second, in which state was the Battle of Shiloh fought?
Tennessee.
Tennessee, right. 20 points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. Rain that falls on the western side of the Continental Divide in the United States drains into Gallatin, Noah.
Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean. That is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. First part, give the name of the sheet of muscle tissue that separates the chest cavity of a mammal from its abdomen.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm is right. And second, give me the name of the organs that the lobster and crayfish use to breathe.
Lungs.
Gills. 10 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. What name is used to describe the 0-degree longitudinal line that runs through Gallatin, Noah?
Prime meridian.
The prime meridian runs through Greenwich, England. Correct. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First, spell the French verb for to be.
No answer.
Être, E-T-R-E. Next, spell the French verb for to have.
No.
That's avoir, A-V-O-I-R. No points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. What is the common name of the compound which is used in a 40% formalin solution as a biologic preservative? And Cookeville, Franklin.
Formaldehyde.
Formaldehyde has the formula HCHO. Correct there, 10 points. Here's your bonus question. Who was Sally Ride? That's the end of our match, and Cookeville champions. Cookeville are the winners, 370 to 150. Thank you, teams, for a great competition.